Want to chat with ChatGPT on WhatsApp? I'll show you how to set it up so you can get quick answers, write texts, or generate ideas without switching apps. Open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone to begin. Navigate to the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the plus icon to proceed to adding a new contact. Select the new contact option from the menu. Paste or enter the official ChatGPT number and assign a contact name of your choice. Tap the Done button to store the contact information. Spot the ChatGPT logo to confirm that the contact has been saved successfully. Tap the message icon to open the chat screen with ChatGPT. Type in your queries in the chat box to begin the conversation. Explore engaging conversations on topics like the latest news, historic monuments, solving math problems, or formulating personalized diet plans. Unlock new insights by chatting and subscribe for more useful tips.